APA citation style has two parts: in-text citation, which points to the source from which the writer is drawing, and the full reference list at the end of the paper. This video shows what the APA reference list looks like, and will teach you how to format references for an online journal article and a book. The references list contains all the sources used in your paper. The reference gives your reader the information to find the source you used. This is the general pattern for referencing articles in a journal. Author names are inverted, that is, the last names are first. Only initials are used. If there are multiple authors, each name is followed by a comma, except for the next to last name. The next to last name is followed by a comma and an ampersand. The next part of the pattern is the year of publication. Put the year in parentheses and follow with a period. Next is the title of the article. In APA style, the article title is written in lowercase, except for the first word in the title and the subtitle. Look for the colon to identify where the main title ends and the subtitle begins. Proper names are always capitalized. Follow the title with a period. Next is the title of the journal or periodical. The title is written in full with no abbreviations. It is written with uppercase and lowercase letters. This is the way you would see it in the journal and in a database description of an article. The journal title is followed by a comma. Next are the volume number and page numbers. The volume number is followed by a comma. Then, the beginning to ending page numbers of the article, with a hyphen in between. This is followed by a period. Note that APA does not normally include the issue number in the reference. Some instructors prefer that the issue number be included. Check with your instructor. The title of the journal and the volume number are italicized. The final part is the DOI, the Digital Object Identifier. APA requires the use of a digital object identifier for all electronic articles. The DOI is preceded by the term DOI in lowercase, followed by a colon. No punctuation follows the DOI. If the article doesn't have a DOI, you may find the DOI in other places, such as crossref.org. To finish the reference, change the font to Times New Roman, the size to 12 point, the line spacing to double space, and the indentation to hanging indent. This is the general pattern for referencing books. Author names are inverted, that is, the last names are first. Only initials are used. If there are multiple authors, each name is followed by a comma, except for the next to last name. The next to last name is followed by a comma and an ampersand. Next is the year of publication. Put the year in parentheses and follow with a period. The next piece in the pattern is the title of the book. In APA style, the title is written in lowercase, except for the first word in the title and the subtitle, and any proper names. The title is italicized and followed with a period. The last two parts are the location of the publisher and the publisher name, separated by a colon. The location has two components, the city and the two-letter post office abbreviation for the state, and the reference with a period. To finish the reference, change the font to Times New Roman, the size to 12 point, the line spacing to double space, and the indentation to hanging indent. The references list is at the end of your paper and starts at the top of a new page. The word References is centered at the top. The references in the list are arranged alphabetically by the first word. For more information about APA and additional examples, see the Library Research Guide citing your sources, or use the Ask the Library resources, or go to the online writing lab at Purdue. We hope that you have found this video tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.